Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Warmwind OS and Claude. Warmwind OS and Claude serve different purposes, but both aim to simplify work using AI. Warmwind OS acts like a virtual assistant that works around the clock for you. It can mimic human actions like clicking, typing, and navigating apps without needing any programming. You just give it simple instructions, like send this report or update that files, and it handles the rest. It connects with popular tools like Gmail, Slack, and Google Docs, even those without APIs. Best of all, it keeps working in the background even if your browser is closed. Your data is safely stored on German cloud servers that follow strict privacy laws. On the other hand, Claude is an AI chatbot made by Anthropic that's designed to be helpful, smart, and safe to talk to. It can answer questions, write emails or essays, summarize long texts, and even help you brainstorm ideas. People like using Claude because it's feel natural and polite in conversations. It understands instructions well and can handle complex topics in a simple way. Claude is also built with strong safety rules to avoid harmful or risky replies. It's great for students, writers, and professionals who need a reliable thinking partner. In short, Warmwind OS is better for automating tasks without coding, while Claude is better for smart conversations and writing help. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.